everybody! Happy holidays! I'm so excited to show you my Coquito recipe, which has now become a tradition to give as a gift. We make it every year. My Puerto Rican extended family has taught me how to make this recipe, and I've put a little twist on it. So I want to show you how to do it. Coquito is essentially a Puerto Rican eggnog, and it's made with evaporated milk, condensed milk, and either coconut milk or cream of cocoa, depending on your sweetness level. I use coconut milk because I don't like it super icky, sticky sweet because we've already got condensed milk here. So that's the base. The other essential ingredient, aside from rum, is cinnamon sticks, cinnamon, or canela in Spanish. So I actually heat the coconut milk, and this is where I bloom all my spices. So I put in the cinnamon stick, let that bloom for a while. We're obviously speeding it up. I use a little cardamom, because some of you may know that's one of my favorite spices. Also a little ground cinnamon. Give it that little extra cinnamony warm kick. You can't get enough cinnamon around the holidays. I put a little lime zest. Lime, coconut, rum. Okay, come on, let's bring a little Caribbean into it here. That's another twist. And then you can go crazy and get creative with spices, okay? So you can make it your own, which I have done, which we have done over the years. Okay, so because that coconut milk is warm, it's perfect to sort of melt that condensed milk, which is so sweet and good. I love it. I rarely have it because it's so sweet. It's such a treat. And you'll see it in the stores front and center around the holidays. Now, I'll make a big batch of this and then put it into bottles, put a bow on it, and that's a gift. I loved handcrafted gifts, obviously handmade food, tasty drinks are an amazing gift. Some of my friends who received this gift from us tell me how they put this Coquito in their coffee on Christmas morning. It's a really good way to start. So don't forget the rum. Now, this is a big portion, so I'm gonna put several shots. This is not just one drink, guys. This is a whole bottle of Coquito. Okay, let's give it a quick taste. Make sure it has the balance we like. You want to taste coconut milk. We want to taste the sweetness of the condensed milk. Oh my God, the evaporated milk, the cinnamon, the cardamom, the lime. It's all there. So I'm going to go ahead and pour it into a measuring cup carefully, because you know me, I like to get a little bit messy. And then straight into my bottle. And you can certainly make this for kids or families who don't drink rum without the rum, right? Just make the base and don't add the rum, and you could even label it for the kids, for the adults, adult Coquito, kid Coquito. I also just love to say it. It's Coquito time, everybody. This really spells holidays for me. Get your little bottles, put a bow on it, have some Coquito, and have a happy holiday.